Hi, I'm David Gregg with the Three Pedal Gasser Shootout, and we're here today to talk about a new feature that we're adding to our events this year. It's called the Friday Night Shootout. It's a small tire race. Tell us a little bit about it.
Well, I think that this is going to be really bad addition to our events. It's going to be really exciting. It's going to be something that, you know, people are just going to go crazy to see. I mean, we're talking about super fast cars, street cars. I mean, this is going to be something different that a lot of other series like ours don't really have. So I'm going to get Kobbie Miller over here, who's part of it, to tell us a little bit about the rules. Kobbie?
Yeah, like he just said, this is going to be a small tire shootout, winner take all. 28-10-5, whether it's a W or a regular. What it's going to be a heads up, pull the peel, run what you brung. If you didn't bring enough, you go to the trailer. It's going to be an awesome night. So make sure you come. And if you need any more on the rules, just let us know. If not, I'll run down a few. On the rules, anything goes. Motor, power additives, twin turbo, nitrous, it doesn't matter. Big block, small block, flathead, I don't care if you bring a jet. If you think you can get down on a 28-10-5 tire, bring it. On top of that, parachutes, back halves, front halves, all welcome. Only thing is no complete tube chassis cars. And on top of that, we're even going to make it a little bit more fun on modern cars. Modern cars are going to be 3550 weight and above. With that being said, it's the same rules, but you got to weigh 3,550 pounds. Now, on the regular small tire shootout, you can weigh 3,550 and below. So you have two choices, two classes. We're going to try to make it where everybody can play and come out and have a great time.
So this is a heads up first to the finish line?
Yes, sir. You're going to pull a peel. First round, everybody pulls a peel. Winners come back around, losers go to the trailer. Next round, you're going to pull another peel. Winners come back around, losers go to the trailer, all the way to the last man standing both rounds.
So it's you're drawing a chip to see who you're running.
Yes, sir.
That's cool.
It's going to be a lot of fun. So make sure everybody comes out.
What about power adders? Can they run them?
Open. Whether it's a turbo, nitrous, twin turbo, jet fuel, I don't care what you're burning.
Limits on the age or the model of the car?
No, sir. You can bring anything you want to bring out. Only thing, like I said, the only thing, you can't have a full tube chassis car, but you can be back half, you can be front half, you can have parachutes, you can do whatever you want. You got to be on a 28-10-50 tire though. That's the only rule. And if you're running a modern class, you got to weigh 3,550 pounds and above.
Do you allow the highly modified Pro Mod type cars?
If they're on a 28-10-50 and they're not a full chassis car, they're more than welcome to come out and play. On your small tire, regular, it's a $100 buy-in, winner takes 50%. On your modern class, it's a $50 buy-in, winner takes 50%.
It should be a good turnout. Should be good crowd.
I'm hoping. So make sure, if you want to pre-register, you're more than welcome, or the night of the show, you're more than welcome to come out. That's at all 4 of our events.
So the small tire racers out there that like to participate in this, they need to contact you?
They can contact me, they can contact Three Pedal Gasser, either one.
Okay. Well, the first event is going to be April the 10th for the Friday night shootout at Ware Shoals Dragway. We plan to do them at all the events this year on the Friday night before. The gassers usually come in on Friday night, do a little test and tuning, so there's going to be a lot of action on Friday night where normally it's just test and tune and everybody getting ready. So it's going to add another facet to the event. It's going to be more for the spectators to watch and enjoy, and adds a little variety to the show. I mean, we want to put on a good show and everybody have a good time.